Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm bringing you somewhere truly special, Boracay, often called the jewel of the Philippines. And trust me, once you see this place, you'll understand why. In this video, we're taking a slow, scenic walk along the world-famous White Beach, starting from Station 3 all the way to Station 1. No rush, no fancy edits, just the pure, natural beauty of Boracay and the simple joy of walking by the sea. You'll get a taste of everything, from the peaceful vibes of Station 3 to the buzz and liveliness of Station 2, and finally the elegance of Station 1. This isn't just a beach, it's a vibe, a feeling, an experience. Whether you've been to Boracay before or it's still on your bucket list, I hope this video makes you feel like you're walking right here with me. Station 3 is the quieter side of Boracay. It's more laid back, less crowded, and perfect if you just want to chill. You'll notice people relaxing under the palm trees, some just enjoying the sound of the waves, and honestly, can you blame them? Check out this powdery white sand, it's soft like flour and stays cool even in the heat. Just look at these people enjoying their swim in the clear blue water. The vibes here are so peaceful. There are a few cozy beachfront cafes and bars in this area. If you're not in a rush, Station 3 is where time slows down, and that's kind of the point here. The first thing you'll notice is how relaxed everything feels here. The beach isn't crowded. The noise is soft, mostly just the gentle sound of waves and the occasional laughter in the distance. People here are doing exactly what you're supposed to do on vacation, unplug and unwind. Some are lying under the shade of coconut trees, eyes closed, letting the sea breeze wash over them. Others are dipping their toes into the water, walking slowly along the shoreline without a care in the world. I even saw a guy with a guitar sitting near a palm tree, just strumming and singing to himself. No performance, no pressure, just soaking in the moment. That's the beauty of Station 3, it feels authentic, unhurried, and personal. And that white sand. It's unreal. So soft, so fine, like powdered sugar. You can literally walk barefoot here for hours without your feet ever getting too hot. And it's clean, so clean you'll want to just sit down and run your hands through it. I also spotted a few diving shops tucked between the coconut trees. Station 3 is actually a popular spot for scuba diving lessons and island hopping tours. It's quieter here, so it's perfect for beginners getting into the water for the first time. Now look at this, some people are enjoying beachside massages under bamboo huts. Traditional Filipino highlight massage right by the sea. That's a different kind of luxury. And it's surprisingly affordable too. On the side, you'll find a few hidden gems, small cafes and ghost houses run by locals. They're not fancy, but they have heart. One little cafe I passed by had tables made from driftwood, serving mango crepes and calamansi juice, all with a smile. And if you're into nature, look up. There are birds flying around and palm leaves dancing in the wind. The sky is wide open, and the sun filters through the trees in the most beautiful way. What I love most about Station 3 is that it gives you space. Space to breathe, to pause, and to just take in how lucky you are to be here. It's the introvert's paradise, the perfect place to start your walk before heading into the livelier parts of the beach. As we slowly leave the quiet charm of Station 3 behind and start heading towards Station 2, things begin to shift. You can feel the energy change in the air. The beach is starting to get a little busier now, more people are walking around, taking photos, splashing in the water, and just soaking up that beautiful Boracay sun. I passed by groups of tourists snapping selfies, friends laughing while applying sunblock on each other, and couples holding hands as they strolled along the shore. It's like everyone here is caught in a perfect moment. There are also a few locals walking by with handmade souvenirs, bracelets, necklaces, and keychains made from shells. I even saw someone offering temporary tattoos and hair braiding right on the beach. It's really cool how local culture blends so naturally into this tropical scene. Look at this line of little shops and stalls, selling colorful sarongs, swimsuits, snacks, and souvenirs. Some of them are no bigger than a kiosk, but the vibe is so warm. There's always someone smiling, inviting you in with a friendly, "Hello pa." There are also mini-marts tucked just behind the trees, great for grabbing a cold drink, sunscreen, or even some fresh fruit. And I have to say, nothing beats a cold coconut juice while walking this beach. I grabbed one, and wow, it was the freshest sip ever. Also, notice the little beach bars starting to pop up along the way. Some have bean bags laid out right on the sand, others have reggae music playing in the background. A few even had hammocks where people were swinging gently, just enjoying the moment. It's so laid back, so island. You might also catch the scent of fresh mangoes and grilled seafood floating in the air. Trust me, it's hard to walk past without stopping for a bite. I saw a place serving fresh mango shakes. They were blending them right there with crushed ice and a bit of milk. So simple, but so good. And check out the little kids playing with sand, building forts and castles, completely in their own world. Some tourists had even brought floaties and beach balls, making it look like a scene out of a postcard. Welcome to Station 2, this is the heartbeat of Boracay. It's where the beach energy peaks. You'll see beachgoers jumping in and out of the water, banana boat rides zipping by, and kids making sandcastles. It's busy, but not overwhelming. There's this joyful, festive vibe in the air. Here we've got restaurants, bars, and resorts lined up. From fresh seafood grills to smoothie bars, the food options are amazing. And at night, this area lights up with fire dancers and music. I walked past some local stalls too, selling fresh mangoes, ice cream, and even coconut juice straight from the shell. Perfect beachside refreshment, right? Oh, and don't miss the smell of grilled barbecue. It will follow you all the way down the beach, and trust me, it's impossible not to get hungry.
Talipapa Market, sir.
Massage. Maluoy ka man, sir. May sentiment.
Ako kasi nag-discount sa kaon ba? Kailan yan?
Ngayon natin ba? Malakas naman.
Now we're getting closer to Station 1, you'll start noticing a slight change again. It becomes more upscale, the resorts look more luxurious, and there's a calm elegance to this part of the beach. This part of the walk is so beautiful, white sand stretching as far as the eye can see, with gentle waves rolling in. People are sunbathing, reading books, or just gazing at the sea. It's the perfect place to slow down and just breathe. And here we are, Station 1, the final stop of our walk. This area is home to some of the most premium resorts in Boracay. The beach here is even wider, and the sand somehow looks even more pristine. I spotted people having beachfront brunches, taking Instagram-worthy photos, and kids running barefoot with laughter filling the air. This is beach life at its finest. Before we wrap up, take a moment to listen to the waves. Look at that golden glow of the sun beginning to set. What a walk this has been.
Pwede nga lang naman. Ay, ma'am, sir, kilala ko.
Thanks for joining me on this relaxing walk through Boracay's White Beach, from Station 3 to Station 1. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel adventures from around the world. Until next time, stay safe, stay curious, and keep exploring.